Just shifting focus to another breaking update that we are picking up from West Bengal in the alleged post-poll violence cases, where the CBI has now registered 7 more FIRs, taking the total number of the FIRs registered in the alleged cases to nearly 28. The central agency is conducting a thorough investigation into the matter right after the order that was announced by the Calcutta High Court, even as yesterday we came to know that 2 arrests that have also been taken place in the case of post-poll violence in the state of West Bengal, where now the CBI investigation has further widened with 7 more FIRs that have been registered. The total number of FIRs in the matter is now till 28, as the investigation being carried out in detail by the order of the Calcutta High Court. We also know that when it comes to the deep investigation that is being carried out by the CBI, 2 arrests that were also made in West Bengal post-poll violence case, and those arrests have been made after filing of those multiple FIRs in the case, where a team of the CBI had also reached Birbhum in connection with the West Bengal post-poll violence matter. So we are looking at right after the Calcutta High Court has last week in its order said that the investigation needs to be carried out by the CBI. Several teams that have been formed by the CBI and all of West Bengal as the investigation continues. The FIRs have been registered under IPC sections of murder, attempt to murder, arms act, trespassing, kidnapping. Let me straight away go across now to Piyush, who's joining us at this point. Piyush, total number of 28 FIRs that have been registered till date by the CBI.
Well, yes, Amita, the big development which we are picking is that as far as the post-poll violence cases are concerned, CBI has now registered 7 more FIRs, which is certainly telling us that the number of FIRs in this matter has now risen to 28. Remember that the agency is conducting the investigation into the entire matter after the kind of orders those were given by Calcutta High Court. Remember that NHRC had been requesting the government, in fact, requesting the government to look into the cases. And after that, we also saw as to how the entire cases were also investigated by NHRC. Various other agencies were also involved in this. And now, after the kind of report which was submitted by NHRC, Calcutta High Court had also ordered CBI probe in this case. In fact, an SIT was also formed in this case to investigate the case, and both agencies were asked to submit their status report within 7 days, within a week. So looking at that, we see the fastest developments taking place. CBI is now registering FIRs. 28 FIRs have been registered. We'll have to wait and watch as to how the investigation in this entire case will continue. Amita.
All right, Piyush, thanks very much. So the post-poll violence case, that is the investigation being carried out by the CBI, a total of 28 FIRs till date that have been registered.